I said it before that crypto is facing one of the most difficult time right now. Trezor just announced on their X account that they have a huge data breach that spanned through about 90 days. And don't be scared. Don't worry. Your crypto is still safe in your Trezor's wallet. Like, just based on the information they put out, your cryptos is still safe. The only data that is breached is your information. And here's the thing. Now, they say that those who purchase their Trezor wallet or hardware wallet for the past 90 days has information such as their full name, shipping address, phone number, and email address breached. And this affects customers in the US, in the UK, Sweden, Colombia, Brazil, Italy, and Portugal, who received an order within the past 90 days. That's prior to August 8th, 2026. So now, what does this mean for you or to you as a customer? This means, and how does it affect you? This means that these users are going to face an intense amount of phishing emails. Okay, already as a crypto content creator, because one of my email is public, like people email me through my YouTube or something, I face an insane amount of emails of scammers try to steal my cryptos. Scammers tries to, make me put my seed phrase somewhere. There's no name that they've never ever emailed me with. They've emailed me with Trust Wallet, OKS, Get.io. They've emailed me with almost every name, popular name. But because I know this, and I've never fallen for it, and that's why I'm letting you know now, whether you are part of this list or not, or what people will email you, you're going to get phishing email one way or the other, and then what you have to do is just delete them, don't fall for them. And platform like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, they never email you. They will never email you. Decentralized wallet don't email you. But Trezors have taken an extra steps by emailing this set of persons, letting them know not to impute their seed phrase anywhere online or fall for any of these scams in case they pull through to them. So let me know what. So nevertheless, if you're facing any crypto issue, let's say you lost your crypto or your crypto is missing from your wallet or send crypto to wrong address, wrong network, or for some reason you just can't find your crypto on your wallet, and you've gone through the rest of my videos and they aren't helpful or they aren't solving your problem, you can feel free to email me at nbarino@gmail.com or send me an Instagram message at barinotradex, and then let's look at the situation together and resolve it. I've resolved crypto issues worth over $300,000 to $400,000, so I'm at your service anytime that you want. Okay, so make sure that you keep your wallet safe, make sure that you keep your device safe. Now, one advice I always give my student is that don't put all your crypto in one place. If you're buying a wallet, make sure that a hardware wallet, you can buy like two from two different companies. So don't say you want to buy two from the same company. Just imagine that this Trezor's wallet that was compromised, even if you order again within the same time, your data will still be compromised. So you can buy from one key, which I recommend. One key, you can check the link in the description, or you can also buy from other hardware wallet provider. You can also diversify into other wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Create your wallet on them and then store it offline. Okay, that's the goal. Then some people ask, how do I monitor my crypto if I'm storing them offline? Now you can monitor them through what we call watch on a wallet. I'll make a separate videos on that so that you guys will not be compromised, because it's one thing to own crypto, it's one thing to keep it safe. Keeping it safe is very important. So let me know what you think. Crypto is facing an insane amount of threat this season. We've not even talked about the quantum computing that we are still speculating whether quantum computing can actually have access to your wallet. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, stay subscribed.